What's up, guys? I'm playing multi-turn game.
Go ahead and play.
Okay, let's see if I can destroy this guy. Oh, yeah. Let me try again. Oh, yeah. Let's go.
You want to make it bigger? If it does. I don't think it does.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to do this. Whee! I did. I love this game. This
I'll
is
be
my
right back.
favorite.
Be right back. Stay here, okay?
Oh, yeah, this is good. Where did Corn go? He's out there. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Bruh. A commercial. Oh, it's not a commercial. There's a commercial. See, it's a commercial.
If you ever want to end the video, then just press that button right there, okay?
Not by not. Let's go. I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah, this is better. This is better. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is so good. Oh yeah, let's go. He's eating me right now. I'm funny.
Good, listen, after this level, you have to end the video, okay? So it's fun, okay? Is that okay?
Whee!
Do one more.
Okay. What? The stick.
Say what, dude? There we go.
We're gonna do this level and then we're gonna end this, guys. Okay.
Good job, Nick.
Whee! Oh!
Good job. How is he still alive?
Yeah. Bro! I like how he said, ow, ow, ow. I played this before.
Liar. Okay.
Whoa, you're not going to beat it. Okay. Really gonna go get some legs right now. It's like a different thing.
What the heck, bro? Yo, that's bad.
What?
There's a middle finger, that's what. Freak you.
We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. 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 Okay, we don't want to play this. We don't want to play this. We don't. We don't. We don't. We want to play something else. We want to play that monster truck. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ah. Okay, let's. Bruh. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh no. Bro, I just missed him.
Yes. Okay.
Alright, see you.
Wait.
Bye, I love you guys.